Have you ever wondered about Mercury, the smallest and innermost planet in our solar system? Well, let's take a closer look. Mercury, the tiny titan of our solar system, is the closest planet to the Sun, nestled an average of 36 million miles away. Now, with such an address, comes the experience of extreme temperature swings, varying from blistering heat to icy cold. But don't let Mercury's size fool you. Despite being the smallest planet, it's got a pretty hefty density, making it the second densest planet after Earth. This little powerhouse is packed with iron, contributing to its high density. So, you see, Mercury might be small, but it's a planet with many unique characteristics. As we delve into the details of this fascinating planet, we'll discover more about its slow rotation, cratered surface, icy poles, and thin atmosphere. So, are you ready for the journey? Mercury has a rather slow dance around the Sun, unlike its speedy siblings in the solar system. This tiny celestial body takes its time, performing a rotation on its axis that lasts about 59 Earth days. But here's where it gets interesting. While Mercury is slow to spin, it's rather quick to travel around the Sun, completing an orbit in just 88 Earth days. This peculiar dance results in a day-night cycle that's unlike any other in our solar system. You see, because of the slow spin and fast orbit, from sunrise to sunrise, a single day on Mercury lasts about 176 Earth days. Imagine that, a day that's longer than its year. Mercury's unique rhythm truly sets it apart. Its leisurely spin and brisk orbit create a fascinating interplay of light and dark, hot and cold, that defines the planet's very character. So a day on Mercury isn't exactly a quick spin. It's a long, leisurely rotation that lasts about 176 Earth days. Let's take a closer look at Mercury's surface, which is a lot like our moon's. This petite planet is pockmarked with countless craters, a testament to its turbulent past. Much like the face of our own moon, Mercury's surface tells a story of a time when the solar system was a chaotic dance of rocks and dust where celestial bodies frequently collided. But what makes Mercury's surface even more intriguing is the presence of ice. Yes, you heard that right. Ice on the planet closest to the Sun. The ice is tucked away in craters at Mercury's poles, places that never see the light of day. These permanently shadowed regions are akin to cosmic freezers, preserving water ice that may have been delivered by comets or formed through chemical reactions on the planet's surface. Now, you might wonder how ice can exist on a planet that's so close to the Sun, where daytime temperatures can skyrocket to over 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, without a thick atmosphere to distribute heat, the dark craters at the poles remain in perpetual twilight, with temperatures dropping as low as minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. So, even though Mercury takes the brunt of the Sun's heat, it still manages to harbor these chilly pockets of ice. It's a stunning example of how extreme conditions can coexist in the cosmos. Despite its scorching temperatures, Mercury manages to keep its cool, especially at the poles. Mercury's atmosphere, or lack thereof, is another fascinating aspect of the planet. Unlike Earth, with its abundant, life-sustaining atmosphere, Mercury's is incredibly thin and almost non-existent. It's so sparse, in fact, that it's often referred to as an exosphere. This near absence of an atmosphere is due to the planet's low gravity and close proximity to the Sun, which allows solar winds to blow away any gases that may have otherwise accumulated. This exosphere is not devoid of elements, though. It contains traces of oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, and helium, among others. However, these elements are so sparsely distributed that they do little to shield the planet from the Sun's intense rays. This lack of a substantial atmospheric blanket is what contributes to Mercury's extreme temperature swings, ranging from scorching hot during the day to freezing cold at night. The thin atmosphere of Mercury adds to the many extremes of this tiny but mighty planet. To wrap up our journey to Mercury, let's summarize. Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, is closest to the Sun and is a world of extremes. Its slow rotation results in long days and nights, and its surface is a crater-filled landscape with hidden ice at the poles. Despite its size, it's the second densest planet, and its thin atmosphere contributes to its severe temperature variations. And that's Mercury for you, a planet that's small in size but big in surprises.